All right, here we go. Thursday's homework is what we're going to look at. Thank you guys so much for getting on here every night, checking your homework. This is really going to help you out as you're studying for your classwork, your assessments, just growing in your understanding of math. So I'm so excited that you guys are here checking your homework. Make sure that you've already done your homework. I want to make sure that you do it on your own first, and then you come here to check it. So let's get started with number one. Number one is a multiplication problem. 7,441 times 6. I see it's a single digit, so I know that there's going to be one row of answers. There's not going to be any zeros and cross out. Here we go. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2, 24, 25, 26. And 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 2 is 44. So our answer is 44,646. All right, let's move on to number two. Number two is a subtraction problem with regrouping. 8,967 minus 7,025. Here we go. Starting in the ones place. 7 minus 5, count up. 5, 6, 7. That's 2. 6 minus 2, 6, 5, 4. Count down. You can also do it that way. 9 minus 0 is easy. That's 9. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So there actually wasn't any regrouping in this problem. Our answer is 1,942. All right. Moving right along to number 3. We've got a multiplication problem again. 12 times 35. This is a 2-digit by 2-digit problem. If I have 2 digits on the bottom, that means I'm going to have 2 rows of answers that I'll have to add together. So I'm going to have to zero and cross out. Here we go. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry your 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Now I sing my song. A zero and cross out. Zero and cross out. Keep going. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. We add our 2 answers together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry that 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, and our answer is 420. All right, hopefully you're getting a lot better at these multiplication problems now that we've been practicing them. If not, make sure you're coming in and talking to me in the morning. I'm here to help you. All right, which expression would be solved first? We're looking at number 4. 6 times 4 plus, in parentheses, 9 plus 2, close your parentheses, minus 6. Using our order of operations, when we begin together, parentheses first. Now, please be clever. Exponents come right next in line. You can multiply and divide at the same time. Now, subtraction and addition. Let's work it out with computation. All right, we're going to use this order of operations to tell me that the first thing I need to do is what's in the parentheses. And what's in the parentheses is 9 plus 2. So that's the expression that I would solve first. Well, that's easy. I'm loving my order of operations. I'm singing my song. I'm getting the problems correct. Let's look at number 5. Number 5 says, write the expression below. Divide 8 by 6, and then divide 7 by the quotient. So, I'm going to pull my homework over here so you can watch what I need to be doing in order to solve this problem. We got to do a little highlighting now, right? Write the expression below. Divide 8 by 6. Divide is one of my operation words. Then divide 7 by the quotient. Divide 7 by the quotient. All right, so what I got here is a lot of division. I'm dividing over here. I'm dividing over here. And then I've got this quotient, which means division as well. This quotient is actually talking about the division that I did right there. Remember, when we see the word quotient, that tells me parentheses. I need to have some parentheses around this part of the equation. Okay? So, divide 8 by 6. 8 divided by 6. There's that first part. Then divide 7 by the quotient. Quotient, parentheses. This is what's in parentheses. I need to take 7 divided by the quotient. So that's going to look like 7 divided by the quotient. 7 divided by the quotient of 8 divided by 6. And this is our answer for that one. Okay? It's important that you are highlighting, you are writing down your operations, and that you remember that words like sum, difference, product, and quotient, all of these mean parentheses. We must put parentheses around them because it's telling me it's an equation within an equation. We need those parentheses. All right, moving right along to number 6, the last one. We've got an order of operations problem. Here we go. 7 plus 4 squared plus, in parentheses, 32 divided by 8 times 6, and close our parentheses. All right, again, I'm going to sing my song. When we begin together. Parentheses first, now please be clever. Exponents come right next in line. You can multiply and divide at the same time. Now subtraction and addition, because we're going to work it out with computations. All right, here we go. Starting in my parentheses. I've got a division and a multiplication sign in my parentheses. I've got to go multiplication and division from left to right. Tells me I need to do 32 divided by 8 first. Using my multiplication facts, I know that 8 times 4 is 32, so my answer is 4. I need to bring everything down. I haven't solved the parentheses yet, so I bring the parentheses with me. Plus 4 squared plus 7. All right, still working on my parentheses. 4 times 6. I know that that answer is 24. I've solved my parentheses out, so I don't need to bring those down anymore. Bring down my plus 4 squared and my 7 plus. All right, I'm done with my parentheses. Now I move on to my exponents. I do have an exponent here. That's 4 squared. Remember, 4 squared is the same thing as 4 times 4. Using my multiplication facts, I know that 4 squared is 16. Bring everything else down. Plus 24 and my 7 plus. I'm done with exponents. I'm on to multiplication and division from left to right, but I don't have any, so I'm crossing that out. Now I'm on to addition and subtraction from left to right. The first addition I come to is 7 plus 16. Oh, well, I just want to double check, make sure I'm doing this right, so I'm going to come on over here. 6 plus 7, well, I know 7 plus 7 is 14. 6 is 1 less, so that's 13. And 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's 23. Plus, bring everything down, 24. Again, I'm making sure that I'm doing my problems correctly. 23 plus 24, 3 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. And my answer is 47. Whoop. There we go. Following order of operations, I can easily solve even the toughest problem to get an answer. All right, so good job checking your homework. I hope you got them all correct or you learned from your mistakes. If not, you're still confused, come on and talk to me tomorrow in the morning and we will get you sorted away. I had a couple friends do that today and I was super proud of them. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.